Good morning students, welcome back to Shada Maths channel. Now this is the continuation class of the trigonometry ratios, class number 5. Okay, let us start the problems. So in these problems just I am using only the shortcuts. మీరు ఒకసారి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అయితే చెక్ చేసుకోండి. విత్ దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఈజీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. మీకు షార్ట్ కట్స్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలనేది వీడియోని అయితే చూస్తే తెలుస్తుంది. అన్ని షార్ట్ కట్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే సో ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. The question is tan square theta plus secant theta is equals to 5. Then what's the value of the secant theta? Okay, here one equation is given, that is the value of the tan square theta plus secant theta is equals to 5. Now I am replacing the theta is equal to 60 simply in this equation. Then what you get once check the value. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 and root 3 whole square is equal to 3. Okay, first value is equal to 3. And secant 60, the value of the secant 60 is equal to 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Means here the only value theta is equal to 60 satisfies this equation. Understand? So to get the value tan square theta plus secant theta is equal to 5, have to replace the theta is equal to 60 only. Then only you get the value is equals to 5. So simply here the answer is theta is equal to 60. What's the given question? We want the value of the secant theta. But what is theta? Theta is equal to 60. So this becomes secant 60. And what is the value of the secant 60? Secant 60 is equal to 2. That's all. That's the answer. So answer is the second option. Understand? Where is the question? First simply I am replacing that the value of the theta which satisfies the given equation. Here the value theta is equal to 60 only satisfies the equation. So I am substituting theta is equal to 60. Then I use the theta is equal to 60 to find the secant theta answer. That's all. Understand? Very easy question. Okay, so the next problem. If tan of alpha plus beta is equal to root 3 and tan of alpha minus beta is equal to root 3, then what is the value of the tan of 6 beta? Okay, so see here, tan of alpha plus beta is equal to root 3 means this root 3 is nothing but the tan 60. Okay, in place of root 3 first I am taking tan 60. So then what is the value of the alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to 60. In the same manner tan of alpha minus beta is equal to 1 means 1 is nothing but the tan 45. Okay, so again you get the value alpha minus beta is equal to 45. Okay, write the two equations here. Alpha plus beta is equal to 60 and alpha minus beta is equal to 45. What's the given question? You want the value of the tan of 6 beta. Means first you want the value of the beta. So change the signs, cut alpha minus alpha. Then beta plus beta, 2 beta, 60 minus 45, 15. Okay, 6 beta. We want the 6 beta, tan of 6 beta. Now I am taking that this tan of 6 beta is equal to 3 into 2 beta. Okay, 6 beta is equal to 3 into 2 beta. And what is 2 beta value? 2 beta is equal to 45. So 2 beta is equal to 15. 3 into 15 is equal to 45. So the value of the tan 15 is equals to 1 and that is nothing but the third option. Okay. Where is the question? Just simply finding the values of the alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta and then deduce the value of the beta and replace beta value simply in the given question. Understand all of you? Where is the question? Okay, so the next problem. The question is log of sine 1 degrees into log of sine 2 degrees into log of sine 3 degrees into log of sine 179 degrees. What is the answer? Very easy question. So here what are the numbers? Here we have 1, 2, 3 and so on so up to 179. That is in between all these numbers we have the 90 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on so 90 and so 91, 92 and so on so 170. Up to 170 we have to take all the numbers. So here I am writing this question as log of sine 1 degrees into log of sine 2 degrees into, in middle I am taking that value log of sine 90 into, in between in middle I am taking the value log of sine 90 into last value log of sine 179. Okay, sine 90. What is the value of the sine 90? 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. So 0 into anything is equal to 0. So the final answer is equal to 0. That is nothing but the second option. Understand? In between we get the value log of sine 90. But sine 90 is equals to 1. then log 1, it becomes log 1, and the value of the log 1 is equal to 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0, so the answer is equal to 0. Very easy question, second option, that's all. Okay. Okay, so the next problem. If x is equals to r cos theta into cos phi, y is equal to r cos theta into sin phi, z is equals to r sin theta, then what is the value of the x square plus y square plus z square? Okay, so here x square plus y square plus z square, we have to find this value. So first I am replacing the theta is equal to 0 in the given values x, y, z. Understand? So then what you get, what is the value of the, how to become the x value? Cos 0 is equal to 1 means r into 1 into cos phi, that is equal to r cos phi. Okay, the value of the x becomes now here r cos phi, and cos theta is equal to 1 into this value, and the value of the y becomes r sin phi, and sin theta 0, sin 0 is equal to 0, then z is equal to 0. Now simply I am substituting these three values in the x square plus y square plus z square. Understand? So r cos phi, r sin phi 0. So x square, r square cos square phi, y square, r square sin square phi, and z square 0 square. Again taking r square, the value cos square phi plus sin square phi, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. R square into 1 is equal to r square, that is nothing but the first option. Understand all of you? Very easy question. Actually directly you can do that x square plus y square plus z square also, but here I am using one shortcut method to get the answer easily, that is taking the theta is equal to 0. Understand? Okay, see the next problem. The question is sin square a into cos square b plus cos square a into sin square b plus sin square a into sin square b plus cos square a into cos square b. Okay, see this one. So here also simply I am taking it, already I told you that if you get the value sine function or cos function, then it is easy to find that value by replacing the value angles is equal to 0 or 90. Okay, understand? So here I am replacing that, simply a is equal to b is equal to 0. Here in this question I am replacing the two angles as 0, 0. Okay, so sin 0 0, cos 0 1, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, and cos 0 1, sin 0 0, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, sin a 0, sin b 0, 0 into 0 is equal to 0, cos a 1, cos b 1, 1 into 1 equals to 1, so the final answer is equals to 1. That is nothing but the third option. Understand all of you? Very easy question. Simply replace the angle values is equal to 0, 0. Okay, that's all. That is the answer. Okay. Okay, so the next problem. If 2 sin square a minus cos square b is equals to 1, then what is the value of the sin a into sin b? The options are minus 1 by root 2, plus or minus 1 by minus 1, plus or minus 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, let us check the answer. So first here I am taking that given equation, that is 2 sin square a minus cos square b is equals to 1 means 2 sin square a is equal to 1 plus cos square b. Okay, just writing this minus cos square b to this side, that becomes the 1 plus cos square, and 1 plus cos square b is equal to cosecant square b, and cosecant square b is equal to 1 by sin square b. This is the reciprocal of the sine function. Understand? And writing the sin square b to this side, so that becomes 2 sin square b a into sin square b is equals to 1. Okay, this is 1 by sin square, and writing the sin square to this side, then becomes 2 sin square a into sin square b is equals to 1. Okay, which implies sin a into sin b whole square is equals to, writing this 2 to this side, 1 by 2, and taking the square to 1 by 2, that becomes plus or minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay, which implies sin a into sin b is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2, that is nothing but the second option. Very easy question. Writing this value to this side and taking that cosecant square b is equal to 1 by sin square b, and doing the cross product, then you have to find the value very easily. So the value of the sin a into sin b is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2, which is nothing but the second option. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, now I will continue the remaining sums in the next video. Until then, keep watching.